What if I told you that you can make a natural enzyme cleaner at home using kitchen scraps you're already throwing away? That's more powerful than commercial enzyme drain cleaners costing $10 or more, completely dissolves years of organic buildup in every drain, and actually improves with time like a fine wine? What if the secret to perfectly clear, odor-free drains has been sitting in your fruit bowl this entire time? I made this cleaner 3 months ago, and what it did to my completely blocked drain in 24 hours genuinely shocked me. Stay with me, because this will change how you maintain your drains forever. The drain problem that seemed unsolvable. My bathroom drain had been slow for months. Not completely blocked, but draining so slowly that showering meant standing in several inches of accumulated water by the end. Disgusting. I'd tried everything. Commercial chemical drain cleaners that released toxic fumes and barely helped. Baking soda and vinegar that provided temporary improvement before the problem returned. Manual drain snakes that pulled out some hair but didn't address the deeper buildup. What is a natural enzyme cleaner? Here's the science you need to understand. Enzymes are biological molecules that break down specific types of organic matter. Protease enzymes break down protein. Lipase enzymes break down fats and oils. Amylase enzymes break down starches. Commercial enzyme drain cleaners contain manufactured versions of these enzymes. But here's what they don't tell you. Fermented citrus fruit naturally produces all these enzymes in abundance. The DIY recipe that changes everything. Here's the exact recipe that produces powerful natural enzyme cleaner at home. You need citrus peels, orange, lemon, lime, grapefruit, any combination, brown sugar or molasses, dry yeast, and water. The quantities: 3 cups of citrus peel pieces, 1 cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon dry yeast, 4 cups of water. Mix everything in a large plastic bottle or jar with a loose lid. Label it with the date. Store at room temperature. How to use it. Pour half a cup of your enzyme cleaner down each drain before bed. The nighttime application is critical as undisturbed contact time maximizes enzyme activity. Don't rinse for at least 8 hours. The enzymes work slowly but completely, unlike chemical cleaners that react quickly but incompletely. For severely blocked drains, pour 1 full cup, let it work overnight, then flush with warm, not boiling water in the morning. Repeat nightly for 1 week for maximum buildup removal. For maintenance, weekly treatment keeps drains permanently clear and odor-free. The 24-hour transformation. I poured my first batch down my notoriously slow bathroom drain on a Saturday night. Sunday morning, 8 hours later, I turned on the shower nervously. The water disappeared instantly. No pooling, no slow drain. 8 hours of enzyme action had dissolved years of biofilm and organic buildup that chemical cleaners couldn't touch. Why this beats commercial products? Commercial enzyme cleaners contain manufactured enzymes in expensive packaging with significant markup. 1 bottle costs $10 to $25 and contains maybe 500 milliliters. My homemade version costs approximately 50 cents in ingredients, sugar, yeast, citrus peels I was going to throw away, and produces several liters of increasingly potent cleaner. Continuous production system. Here's how to maintain an endless supply. Keep your fermentation jar going continuously. Every week, strain out some liquid for use and add fresh citrus peels, a tablespoon of sugar, and a little water. The active bacterial culture keeps producing enzymes indefinitely. This self-replenishing system means you always have enzyme cleaner ready without buying anything except occasional sugar and yeast. Now you have your very own DIY natural enzyme cleaner from citrus peels, brown sugar, yeast, and water, fermented for 7 to 30 days, poured down drains nightly to dissolve organic buildup completely. If this just solved your drain problem naturally and permanently, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell for more DIY natural solutions that outperform expensive commercial products. Share with anyone battling slow drains. Comment if you're starting your fermentation batch today. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, harness biology, make powerful cleaners from waste, and enjoy drains that flow perfectly forever.